Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software prepared by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Max, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. The contents can be viewed through Google Classroom using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing worksheet to explain properties of exterior angles of a triangle. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, a licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. Let me show you what type of worksheet we are going to prepare. We are going to prepare a worksheet to explain property of exterior angles of a triangle. We will draw a triangle and tell what is its property. If the equivalent angle is taken at each vertex, the exterior angle is always at 360. We are extending the sides of the triangle to get the exterior angles, and we are telling that the summation is always 360 degrees. By pulling it, by making the changes in the exterior angle, always the sum is 360 degrees. Let us try to make this dynamic worksheet from scratch. For that, I have taken a GeoGebra 5.0, a dynamic worksheet in geometry view, and in option I have taken rounding off to one decimal place and labeling of new points only. Now you can declare the heading of this, that is properties of exterior angles of a triangle. Now we can ask your children what is the property. The property is the sum of exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. The degree symbol is in basic. You can give the degree symbol also. Okay, now you know how to make it colorful and all. Okay, I'm just keeping it over here. Now let me press escape, go to this polygon, draw a triangle A, B, C, and come back to A. Now you can move it and then make it a little bit comfortable for you. Now you want to give the external angles. For that, go for this ray, extend this AB by touching this B. Now extend this BC by touching this C, and extend this CA or AC, whatever may be, by touching this A. Now you see, then only whenever I am moving this, the extended line also will move. Be careful. Don't try to use segment. You have to use ray by touching it. Now to make the angles, what we will do is, we will take a point on the object. We will take a point on this. Come back and touch it. You will get a point on this. You can have a point on this. You can have a point on this now. Now we want to show these external angles now. For that, always remember, you have to go for the angles in clockwise direction. Then also the external angle will come. You have to go in clockwise direction. Very simple. Go to this angle. I want the external angle of this. Touch this F, touch this A, and touch this B. You got the external angle now. Again, you want the external angle which is in this clockwise direction. Therefore, clockwise direction. But touch this D, touch this B, and touch the C. Again, you want it in clockwise direction. Touch this E, touch this C, and touch that A. Okay. Now you got three angles now. Okay, I'm pressing escape. I am bringing these angles to know their names. One is alpha, another is beta, and another is gamma. Now I want to know what is its summation. For that, go to this view, and then in the input bar will come. Now alpha, beta, gamma has come. For go to delta is equal to, from this small alpha you type alpha plus, then you from this you go to this beta. Okay, I think it is not selected. Beta, okay, plus then go to this and then go to this gamma, then press enter. Now that value has been coming in this algebra. Go to this algebra view, maybe graphic view, and then you see it is 360 degrees. It is coming over here. Now you can pull and push, escape, pull and push. You see always it is not changing. This 360 delta is not at all changing. For now you can come back and then declare that what is actually the idea. Now go to this text. Therefore first the angle outside the angle. Therefore you can go to this symbol. You can make the children to note down what is the angle now. Here some angle symbol is there. Angle FAB, that is the external angle, FAB plus what is the next external angle. Now if you want to just tell them in that direction, CBD, for angle CBD plus what is the next angle, ECA, whatever you call, ECA, okay, ECA, okay. Now is equal to, now you see here the equal to, you can type 360 degrees, or you can from the object you can take delta. Both are not the same. Actually you already checked it. Delta is always 360 degrees. Okay, now you can ask the children to come and check it whether the sum of the exterior angle is always 180 by pulling and pushing. You see it is always 180 degrees. Now if you want the children to check the changes there also, again you can go for it. Here in that object you can go for alpha, then plus in the object you can go to beta, plus in the object you can go to gamma is equal to, in the object you can go to delta. Okay, now you see whatever you are moving over here, the angles are being showed there also. Now I am pressing escape and then I want to pull it and then show you. Okay, well, now you see when I am pulling it, okay, it is going on changing. The whenever you just add it, normally don't try to have it as 0 decimal place. Sometimes the addition may not be 360. Suppose if you have it in 1 decimal place, approximately it will come at 360 degrees. So you are seeing here 9.9.4, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, then that 0, then 2 will be carried forward, and then it is coming as 360 degrees. Now in every worksheet, you always remember that, always go and start that navigation bar in the beginning itself. Therefore, when you start the navigation bar, after some time, the navigation bar may not start it, because you have to do a lot of escape and then you have to come back, and then the navigation bar where it will come, you may not be knowing it. Therefore, always try to have the navigation bar. Suppose in the navigation bar, you see it is coming over here. The navigation bar will help you go back to the step number 1. Now everywhere you can ask the children what is the property of exterior angle, then you can, the child will declare it that the sum of the exterior angle is 360 degrees. Then you can tell them this is a triangle, then I am finding the exterior angle, then the come and pull and push it. Okay, thank you friends, let us learn to lead.